This is Prizm 4173. We're going to randomize 2 lists. 5 times. Team on top of the end, go person spot 1. Team on bottom, person spot. What is?
Huh? Nothing.
You guys talking about me?
Break, mate.
You guys talking about me?
That should not do you.
That's a good point. I do 70-hour weeks. 5 times, here we go. I'm so punchy today. I woke up and chose real violence.
If anyone's ever coming at you, just
One.
go with the I do 70-hour weeks.
2. You know the worst part is I'm not far off it. 3. 4. And 5. Bulls on top, Lakers on bottom for tier 1. We'll just get rid of that so I can drop it in.
If Demo does 70-hour weeks, his Friday is about to be loaded.
I know. 26-hour day. 1. 2. 3. God.
Fucking gimme.
4. And 5. How's your haircut?
Oh, fantastic.
Bucks on bottom, Thunder on top. That's 5 times.
That was my first haircut.
Since last year.
Yeah.
Like, pretty much. First actual haircut.
Yeah. And Jesus.
Here we go, guys. Good luck to all. We're open for pickup only, Kyle. Only pickup. Don't ask me why. Listen, I love y'all, but we are so understaffed right now. Last thing we should be doing. Last thing. Isn't that right, Tabby?
I thought, yeah, maybe tomorrow at the earliest.
If you're coming to Cherry today, don't.
Here we go. Good luck, all. We have Peyton Pritchard, Van Yeet, Beasley, Korkmaz, Reddick, Silver, Bismack Biombo, Red Wave, Bojan Bogdanovic, Fireworks of Jimmy Butler, Capella, Middleton, DiVincenzo, Covington. Oh, Tabby, when you talk like... Oh, Tyrese, rookie, nice. Silver, Torrey Craig, Red Wave, Robin Foots. Red Wave, Markel Fultz. Damian Lillard, Prizm throwback. What the fuck is wrong with me? Dougie McDermott, Alex Caruso. So now the thing I see here is that there's a Doug McDermott, then goes Alex Caruso. There's actually 2 cards stuck together, and one of them is the LeBron James base. Maggie's just woken up.
Morning, Maggie.
Morning, Maggie.
There's a real,
Caruso.
real soft V in Covington there.
Covington. Jay McDaniels, Jalen Smith, Anthony Edwards.
What a cool move behind the back.
Oh, there was one we saw the other. I'll have to find it. Oh, nice purple, Trey Young.
Hey.
Purple Nurple. Numbered 69 and 99. What does that mean? That's not a bad thing, is it?
Purple nipple, isn't that when someone...
James Harden. Okay, good. So that's what I thought it was. I thought it might have had a new meaning. Oh, congrats, Andrew. Good to get one. Kira Lewis Jr. RJ Hampton.
You can, like, hear...
Damian Lillard, purple. Cracked ice. Numbered 13 of 175. You going to say you can hear my brain short-circuiting?
Yeah.
Rookie signatures, Trey Jones.
You can hear when you're, like, tired. You, like, choke on your tongue or... Just, like, malfunction.
I've been really bad lately. Like, I'll be sitting on the couch half falling asleep, and then I'll choke on my own spit. Because my sinuses are that bad at the moment. That I don't think it's my spit. I think it's just a nasal drip.
Oh.
Onyeka Okongwu, rookie. Mobamba. Zion base. Hyper Markel Fultz. Do we have a rookie here? We don't. It's Shaq. Nice for the Lakers. Numbered 144 of 199. Nice. Widescreen Harden. Listen, I was on a video call with Maggie the other night. I thought he'd do a face reveal, but no. Saw his pillow, though.
Maggie.
Evan Fournier, Jordan Awara, some real pillow talk. That's a good joke. Should have led with that. Hyper of Dennis Schroeder. And Gallinari, Purple Cracked Ice, numbered 91 of 175. Fearless of Paul Pierce. Something's wrong. I'm like frothing up. What type of pillow was it? Yellow one. Static Bay. Silver, Dennis Schroeder. Red, Kira Lewis. Something is wrong.
What did you eat earlier?
I may have been allergic to like the. There might have been something in the aioli that I've not reacted well to, Steve Nash, because I'm like frothing up and my tongue feels really thick.
Yeah, maybe you're not tired. You just.
I could be.
In the beginning stages of a severe allergic reaction.
I usually get the sweats when I have a bad reaction, like I did at the start of the 24-hour stream. Malachi Flynn, you weren't around for that.
The start of it. Oh.
Silver Mo Bamba, I'll explain the story later. Red Wave Norman Powell, so stay listening. Kawhi Leonard downtown. Isaac Okoro. Tyrese Maxey. Oh, silver rookie Robert Woodard the 2. Silver fireworks Jamari. Downtown Jamal Murray.
The 2, Jamari.
And then I was like, Jamal Murray? I expanded on the second one. He deserves it. Saban Lee. Silver Alonzo Ball. Silver Fearless of Jason Williams. Fireworks of Jason Tatum. If anybody does have a personal, get it in now. Not planning on too long of a lunch break today.
Blake's maybe dying.
Yep, I'm planning on shorter one now. Elijah Hughes. Jeez, very sticky cards. Sticky nards. I like it. Mo Bamba. Hyper Downtown. Oh, come on, Buddy Hield. Fireworks. Kawhi Leonard. Yeah, Sydney is fully cooked, unfortunately. Xavier Tillman. Depends on how many carbs you get into me. And how many of those carbs I'm allergic to. De'Aaron Fox Hyper. Red of Jeff Teague for the Hawks.
Spoiler alert.
All of them. Downtown, Luka Doncic. And that is Prizm 4173. So...